if I told you that the universe is expanding, that there are stars so massive they could swallow our entire solar system, and that somewhere out there, there may be planets where it literally rains glass sideways? Even crazier? The universe may contain more stars than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. And the strangest part is that everything we can see could represent only a tiny fraction of what actually exists. So get comfortable, look up at the night sky, and prepare to discover 20 facts about the universe that sound completely impossible, but are real. For thousands of years, humans looked into the night sky and saw tiny points of light. Today, we know those points are suns, some only a few light years away, others so distant that their light began traveling toward us billions of years ago. The universe isn't simply burnt IT, it is almost incomprehensibly enormous. And the deeper scientists look, the stranger it becomes. Here are 20 cosmic facts that will completely change the way you think about space. The universe isn't sitting still. Space itself is expanding. Imagine dots drawn on the surface of a balloon. As the balloon inflates, every dot moves away from every other dot, not because the dots are traveling across the surface, but because the space between them is expanding. That's roughly what is happening on cosmic scales. And here's the strange part. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it generally appears to be moving away from us. When you look at the sun, you're not seeing it exactly as it is right now. You're seeing it as it was about 8 minutes ago. Why? Because light takes time to travel. When astronomers observe galaxies billions of light years away, they're seeing those galaxies as they existed billions of years in the past. Some of the oldest light we observe began its journey before Earth even existed. So telescopes are essentially time machines. How many stars are there in the observable universe? Nobody knows the exact number. But astronomers estimate there may be hundreds of billions to trillions of galaxies, with enormous numbers of stars inside them. That means the total number of stars could be around 1020 square to 1020 square. To put that into perspective, that's an almost unimaginable number. So when you look at a clear night sky, you're seeing only a microscopic sample of what's actually out there. Here's one of the weirdest facts in our own cosmic neighborhood. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. One complete rotation of Venus takes about 243 Earth days. But Venus completes one trip around the Sun in only about 225 Earth days. That means a Venusian day is actually longer than its year. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the sun had even finished crossing your sky once. Some exoplanets are so extreme that they make science fiction look tame. One famous example is HD 189733b. Scientists have found evidence that its atmosphere contains silicate particles, and extreme winds may carry these particles around the planet. The result? A world where conditions may produce sideways glass-like rain traveling at enormous speeds. It's not exactly the kind of weather you'd want to experience. Imagine taking something roughly the mass of the sun and squeezing it into a sphere only around 20 kilometers across. That's approximately what a neutron star can be. These objects form after certain massive stars explode and their cores collapse. The result is matter packed so tightly that a tiny amount would have an enormous mass. Neutron stars are among the densest objects known in the universe. Our sun is enormous compared with Earth. But compared with some stars? It's surprisingly ordinary. Red supergiants can reach sizes so enormous that, if one replaced our sun, its outer atmosphere could extend beyond the orbit of several planets. Stars like these are among the largest known individual stars by radius. The universe doesn't just make stars, it makes stellar monsters. Black holes are often portrayed as cosmic vacuum cleaners, but that's not quite right. A black hole has gravity, just like any other object with mass. If our sun were magically replaced by a black hole with exactly the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting roughly as it does. The problem would be that we would lose sunlight, and therefore the conditions that make life possible. Black holes become truly terrifying when you get extremely close to them. Einstein's theory of relativity predicts something extraordinary. Gravity can affect the passage of time. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes relative to an observer farther away. This isn't just theoretical. The effect has been measured and must even be accounted for in technologies such as GPS. Near an extremely massive object like a black hole, the effect can become dramatic. In the universe, even time itself isn't completely universal. The universe has a faint microwave glow called the cosmic microwave background. It is leftover radiation from the early universe. This radiation has traveled across space for billions of years, giving scientists an extraordinary glimpse into conditions when the universe was incredibly young. It's essentially a cosmic baby picture, and by studying tiny variations in this ancient light, scientists can learn about the structure and history of the universe. Everything you can see, stars, planets, galaxies, gas, dust, and you, is only a fraction of the universe's total cosmic budget. Scientists think most of the universe consists of dark energy and dark matter. Dark matter doesn't appear to emit or reflect light like ordinary matter, but its gravitational effects can be observed. And dark energy appears to be associated with the accelerating expansion of the universe. So most of the cosmos is made of things we still don't fully understand. Our galaxy isn't isolated forever. The Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are gravitationally interacting and are expected to merge in the distant future. Don't panic. This isn't happening tomorrow. And even when galaxies merge, individual stars are so incredibly separated that direct star-to-star collisions are unlikely. Instead, the galaxies will gradually reshape each other over immense stretches of time. You might imagine space as a perfect vacuum. It isn't. Interstellar space contains incredibly thin clouds of gas and dust. There are also cosmic rays, magnetic fields, radiation, and tiny particles traveling through space. Compared with Earth's atmosphere, it's unimaginably empty. But empty doesn't mean absolutely nothing is there. The space between stars is part of a giant cosmic ecosystem. Not every planet necessarily orbits a star. Astronomers have found evidence for free-floating or rogue planets, worlds traveling through space without being gravitationally bound to a star. Imagine a planet wandering through the darkness with no sunrise and no sunset. Some may have been ejected from planetary systems during chaotic gravitational interactions. There could be enormous numbers of these lonely worlds drifting through the galaxy. Our Milky Way is roughly 100,000 light-years across. That means light would need around 100,000 years to cross it from one side to the other. But some galaxies are much larger, and galaxies themselves aren't randomly scattered. They gather into groups and clusters, which connect across immense structures known as the cosmic web. On the largest scales, the universe looks less like scattered islands and more like a gigantic network. Some neutron stars are called pulsars. They can rotate extraordinarily fast. Certain pulsars spin hundreds of times every second. Imagine an object with roughly stellar mass rotating hundreds of times before you've even finished blinking. Their beams of radiation can sweep past Earth like the beam of a lighthouse. That's why they can appear to pulse with remarkable regularity. Our solar system looks enormous when you think about planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. But almost all of its mass is concentrated in one object, the Sun. The Sun contains about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Everything else, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, comets, asteroids, is only a tiny fraction by comparison. So our planetary system is essentially a gigantic solar empire dominated by one star. Nothing with mass can accelerate to the speed of light in a vacuum. Light travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle Earth more than 7 times in a single second. But even light has limits. That means there are regions of the universe so far away that their light may never reach us, depending on cosmic expansion. The universe isn't just enormous. There are fundamental limits to how much of it we can ever observe. We have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system, and the number continues to grow. Some orbit within regions where temperatures could potentially allow liquid water under suitable atmospheric conditions. That doesn't mean they're inhabited, but it does mean Earth may not be the only place in the universe with conditions that could support life. With so many stars and planets, the question becomes incredibly fascinating. Are we alone? Here's perhaps the craziest fact of all. The universe we can observe is limited by the distance light and information has been able to travel to us since the early universe. Beyond the observable universe, there could be vastly more cosmos. Maybe even an unimaginable amount more. We simply don't know. And that means when you look at the night sky, you're not seeing the universe. You're seeing the portion of the universe that has had time to reveal itself to us. 20 facts. And somehow, the universe still has more mysteries than answers. There are black holes bending spacetime, stars collapsing into city-sized objects, galaxies merging across billions of years, planets wandering alone through darkness, and ancient light carrying information from the beginning of cosmic history. And here's what makes all of this even more incredible. Every atom in your body came from the universe. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the carbon in your cells, all of it has a cosmic history. You aren't just looking at the universe, you're made from it. So, if this video made you see the night sky differently, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell us in the comments, which of these 20 universe facts shocked you the most? Because this universe is far stranger than science fiction, and we've only scratched the surface.